Hey everybody, alright, so in this video I'm going to show how to clean the filters for the pool. Let's go take a closer look. This one's for the swimming pool, that one's for the hot tub. Alright, so this is how you know if you need to wash the filter. Right here is a pressure gauge, and this is for the swimming pool. It tells you right here, pool. We've got a start and a clean filter. So this is getting pretty close to clean filter, so I'm going to show you how to clean the swimming pool. What we're going to do, you got to first turn off the pump. And the easiest way is this switch right here. You turn that off and it turns off both pumps. And the way you know it's off, the pressure goes to 0. Now, since it's off, I'm going to move this dial from filter to back there, backwash. So what you do is you push down, jiggle it a little bit, and always go this one direction, go to backwash, okay? Now I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna wait for water to fill back up. So you can see water is coming inside the pump. Once that's full, we'll get some pressure and we'll start seeing dirty water here. Okay, so the pump is getting full of water. I've got pressure, and then look at that. See how dirty that is? All right, so we're going to wait till this gets a little bit clear, probably about 30 seconds or so, maybe a minute. And the important thing is right now we're using the swimming pool water to clean this filter. So you got to make sure you have enough water in the swimming pool to do this. All right, so it's been about a minute. You can see it's not as dirty as it used to be, but you can kind of look and see through it, okay? So that's about as clean as it's gonna get. So to stop, you turn the pumps off, you push down, jiggle, jiggle, and we're gonna go to rinse. This one here. Kick it back on, and what you're doing now, you're using the water from the pool, and we're rinsing the filter. So backwash, we pump water from the bottom up into the drain. Rinse, we're going to push water down through the filter, and instead of putting it back to the pool, we're sending it to the drain. So you're going to watch this, and now see how it's crystal clear? Now we're going to stop, and now we're going to put this back onto filter. We're back onto filter. We turn it back on. And now, if you look here, the pressure is back to where it says start. So now we know the filter is clean.